Giuseppe, what am I doing? Today's cool. This, I didn't even see it yet. This is a cool thing. One of my biggest things is I collect certain kind of toys. Check this out. This was a surprise. It's not even my birthday.
Gotta keep life interesting.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yes.
I know what this is. Oh man. This is my uncle's car in Italy when I was like 13 or 10, whatever age I was. When I used to go to Italy all summer, I used to spend it with my grandmother and with my uncle and family and stuff like that. I used to go all summer. This is what we drove around. A little bit of a beat up version of this car right here. It's called a Fiat Rhythm. The US models of these cars had enormous bumpers in the front, and they were called Stratas. They were worse than the ones that they made there. But still, look at how awesome. I have a piece of my childhood here. Let's take it out of the styrofoam. Give me the Phillips head.
You happy today?
Yes, this was awesome. This was awesome. Today doesn't have much to offer me. Years ago does. Here we go. Hold this. 1978 Fiat Ritmo 60 CL. Whatever that might mean. Different options of some sort. The same color, the same goofy design on the wheels, everything.
Was the same interior
exact
color?
car. Cannot believe it.
What color was the interior?
He had gray, I think, but this will work fine. This is what my uncle drove, and I rally raced it once on country roads when he wasn't looking. He told me to drive it back to town because he had another car, and I was 13 or so, and I kicked the shit out of this poor little thing. See the license plates years ago? The first two letters of any Italian license plate tells you where the province is of where the car's from. FG was Foggia, AV is Avellino, NA was Naples. So much cool just so much cool stuff. Years ago it was so a headache. Alright, let me go put this away. I'm going to put it in the office.
This is your other surprise.
What is that thing?
I got you trumpets.
That's what this says. Trumpets. Trumpets. A trumpet?
Don't worry what it is. Go put the car away real quick and you'll know what it is soon enough. Just don't worry.
What in the heck is that? Where'd you find those?
They came from Australia. They're made in Italy.
No way! They're made in Italy. That's tromba. Tromba means two things. Tromba means trumpet, and it means that's what trumpet. This is trumpet, the trumpet you're talking about.
Yes, that. Not physically.
Horn, you know, all that stuff.
Oh, I'll do it again.
Wonder where that's going. Where are you putting that? That is awesome. We're going to be so kafung with this car.
Every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds down the street.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to put one of these on every car I own. That is a good move. That was smart. High five, bro. High five. Why do you always mess around? How's your center console coming along? Let's go look.
Yo, what is that?
This is oil.
Oh, man.
This is actual AMP oil. And check this out. 75,000 miles plus this oil is made for it. This truck's got 309 or 10,000 miles on it. I think we're ready to go. You're going to change the oil today, right? Got an oil filter from AMP oil and everything.
And you know what?
That's the one, too.
We might take it to coffee today.
I'll take it out. I'll take it out. I'll take it out. I'll take it out. All right, let's go. Come on, change the oil. You're going to show me the, what is it called? Center console. Let's go. All right, so you got it tack welded in. Where's the thing? Go get it.
Media center?
Yeah. Now this is from Kicker. Check this out. How cool is this going to be? There's no sound in here, so it's fine to make it out of metal.
Right. This is just to hold this part. So you're going to put bolts here, and then the frame will go around here, and that'll cover all the bolts.
And then you'll have the shag, so it'll be like kind of like in there.
Right.
You know
so you got to feel around.
It's going to be cool. It's going to be sharp.
And you know what else I did today?
What'd you do? What else today?
I tightened the T-handle because, you know, when you shift, it's moving around. So I tightened the jam nut and it's crooked.
It's a f***ing bolt. Who cares? You do a million things. Look at all the stuff you do. You telling me about tightening a nut?
Because you're going to be shifting. It's going to be moving, you know.
I see. All right. So anyway, all right. You're going to grind all the welds. You're going to finish welding it. You're going to finish doing everything.
Shag it.
I'd like to see it in the truck. Did you put it in there yet?
I tested it. And then when I took it out, I welded. So if you want to take a look.
Let's go.
Oh, and I also put tabs on here so you can bolt it down. That's where the...
Right. Well, let's go try it out. Put this in the office. That looks really cool. Look at that. So the media center goes here, and that shifter doesn't hit, right? That's second.
That's second.
Perfect angle. That's what I want.
And then fourth in reverse.
You got plenty of room.
You got plenty of room.
What are you doing now? Oil change?
Well, we're going to do the oil change.
Hit it.
Because they got the oil.
Right.
It looks pretty good under here. I don't know. That cross member's pretty rotted out. I'm shopping around for some rims and tires, you know. I'm going to get Kragers with the Goodyears, all that kind of stuff. It's going to look neat. It's going to look nice. Right now, I'm just waiting for this to drain out all
You're
the
good.
oil.
Put it back in.
Nah, it's still drizzling.
It's all right. Put it back in. You're good. Just throw it right into the can.
It's empty.
Got it in there?
Okay, good. When you take an oil filter off and you have rust all around like this, that's how you know this oil filter has been on for a really long time. Really long time.
Pump it. Go ahead, it'll start. It's because it's been sitting. Oil light off?
Everything's off.
Alright, come here. Alright, we're good. You can take it out. Funnel out. Put that away. And put this back here.
Let's clean up.
And that's it. Hey, clean up his robe.
In a couple minutes, we did an oil change. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. What the heck's bothering me?
See this? You know what this is?
A welding blanket.
A welding blanket. I am the welding witch. Ready? I got skills that are multiplying. I forgot the rest of the song. Knock it off!
There's still oil in this, so
Still oil.
it's on the side.
Put it on the shelf. You never know when you're going to need to add something. In the meantime, taking over the world.